I hope you guys are having an absolute blast.
We're having an absolute.
That's good to hear. Oh, yeah, apparently the drive-thru did. All right, 2013 vlog time. Hello, Vita. All right, what happened with the drive-thru?
Chain
Oh,
went
dear.
berjunk.
Chain broke.
That's kind of cringe.
The chain went berjunk.
Our chain,
All right,
That's
well,
not my fault.
our chain got no money.
You made
broke.
the chain. Okay,
you guys know what to do? What are you guys working on?
I just wanted to look at the console.
Okay. You get to be in the vlog. Hi, Ali.
It's just the worst.
Let me out! Let me out!
What are you working on?
Nothing.
I helped
enough.
Hallie with chains.
Very nice.
Hi.
You're in the vlog too. We gotta have our exercise.
I have a backpack, okay?
It's extra exercise.
Trying to figure out the 4-bar intake. It's not there.
It's not there yet. All right, so we got the wooden framework at least for the shooter prototype done, and we're gonna assemble more of it tomorrow. Hopefully, we can even get the full thing. All right, welcome back, guys, to another unboxing video. We're gonna unbox a box.
What's in the box?
First off, we have packaging here. Look at how nice it is.
Good quality.
So now this is a Falcon Tax adapter. It's different. It's special. It's really good. I like it. It's even got like the more chain. All right, more toes. Pulley, more toes.
What a package.
Belt, more toes. Belt, more toes. Pulley, pulley, more toes. Pulley. Let's go.
Wait, it's actually I filmed
It's
it.
him filming.
Watch
it's not
this.
me.
Whoa.
Whoa!
So it's